In this part, we are going to talk about the if statement, the else statement, and also the else if statement. So in this example, if b is negative 123, and it will check if b is greater than 0. If it is greater than 0, it will output greater than 0. However, there is nothing to return because there are no handling about negative numbers. So if we add the else and then we execute again, it will output smaller than 0 because it will know that if this is not greater than 0, this will print smaller than 0. And if we change this to positive 123, this will output greater than 0. And the other thing is it can also compare with the string if the foot is equal to rubber, and then it will check if the foot is equal to fish. If this is fish, then it will print good, I love eating fish. Otherwise, if you remember the fprint syntax, this is the formatting syntax. It will put the rubber into this area and output this will tell you that sorry, I don't want to eat rubber. And we can also change this to another thing such as rabbit. Now you can see I don't want to eat rabbit, but if you change this to fish, it will tell you that good, I love eating fish. And one more thing to know is we also has the else if, because sometimes we will have more than two conditions. For example, if we have b is equal to 0, we want to print equal to 0. If this is greater than, then we will print greater than 0. And if this is smaller than, it will print smaller than 0. So there are three conditions. You will check whether this is 0 or whether there is greater than or smaller than 0. So now, because this is equal to 0, it will output equal to 0. However, if you change this to negative 5, it will return smaller than 0. And if you change this to positive 5, it will output greater than 0.